and now we're on our way to see the gardens and temporary glass exhibit. Inside the orchid garden, which is the only orchid garden in the US that is not enclosed. So we really enjoyed our time here at the Naples Botanical Gardens. If you're visiting Naples, we really recommend that you come here. The grounds themselves are gorgeous, and the glass exhibit that they have right now, which is here for about 6 months, is really nice too. So yeah, we really recommend that you come here during your visit to Naples.